So let's have a look at what you can send your customer to allow them to pay online. So if we navigate to our invoice screen here and I go to all invoices, here I'll find my invoices that have been approved and obviously drafted and etc. I'm going to use this example dummy invoice here, number 4, and all I simply have to do is click on the email button in the top corner and it will give me a nice template that I've set up earlier. In here, because I know this customer is going to pay online using the portal link, I'm simply going to drop the portal link in there and send it over to our email address like so. So let's have a look at what happens when it arrives on the customer's email. Now as you can see, the email's arrived, so I'm going to click on the email and I can view and pay this using the portal link. So let's go ahead and click on that. As you can see, here's my invoice, all detail, my terms and my company details as we set up earlier, and there in the right hand corner is a pay securely button. Click on that and your customer will be prompted to enter in their credit card details and obviously the expiry date and CVC number, and then they simply hit pay and that's your invoice paid.